Hello, welcome back to Mommy T and V YouTube channel. If you are new here in my YouTube channel, you are welcome. Always welcome for my new and my old subscribers. God bless you for your support. I love you all, but God love you most. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I am learning how to bake homemade cake. Here I have my flour and my milk. This is my milk, liquid milk, and I have my 250 gram of butter. Then I have my sugar, half cup of sugar. I don't eat a lot of sugar. And I have my 10 eggs. And I have my baking powder. And I have my flavor, lemon flavor, to bring out the scent of the cake. So first of all, I am going to start by mixing the butter and the sugar together. Guys, I'm learning how to make this cake. So now I'm going to be pouring my sugar. So I'm not going to pour all the sugar. I don't like sugar at all. So I'm trying to fix the butter inside the mixing pot. So now I will leave the butter and the sugar to mix for 30 minutes. Now I have finished mixing the butter and the sugar. You can see the outcoming of this butter and sugar. So I have finished mixing it. I'm going to start mixing my flour and my baking powder and salt and sugar together. This is my flour. Now I am going to be adding my baking powder. Then I will add my salt. Then I will stir it together and make sure they have mixed together very well. So I have to mix it very well. Then I'm going to put this aside. So guys, now we are going to start to mix the eggs. So I'm going to break the 10 eggs inside this white glass bowl. I'm going to be mixing the yolk and everything together. I'm not going to separate the yolk from the eggs. I'm going to mix everything together. Now I am mixing the eggs. I have to mix it very well. Let me clean up the mess. I have to mix it very well. So now I am going to be adding my aroma flavor. This flavor is very good. It's to bring out the scent of the cake. I love it when I'm hearing the scent of the cake. So this is the aroma flavor. It's lemon aroma flavor. So it will bring out the scent of the cake. It's two, but I'm using one. So I will continue to mix the egg and the aroma flavor together. I will make sure I mix it very, very well. I will continue to mix it until they have mixed together. So now I have finished mixing the eggs. So I'm going to start to mix everything, both the sugar and the butter I mixed before, then and the flour together. I'm going to mix everything together. So first of all, this is my flour, the one I mixed before. So first of all, I will pour little eggs I mix inside the baking pot, inside the mixing machine, sorry. Then I will add little flour to it. Then I will mix it. I will mix it together. So I'm not going to pour everything. I will be pouring it gradually, so you can see it. Is the egg I will use to mix the flour and the rest thing together. So if I have little liquid of egg, then I will add little flour. So that is how I am going to continue to mix it together. So I will add little flour, you can see. Then I will mix it together. And I will add little egg. So it's the liquid I'm using to mix the flour. I am learning, guys. I am learning. So I'll try to turn it together. So I will add little flour to it. Okay, guys, this is the baking pot I will be using to bake the cake. Before I pour the cake I mix inside the pot, I will use butter. I'm going to be using butter to rub the pot. I will make sure I rub it very well for the cake not to get burnt, and when I am bringing the cake out, it will not stick inside the pot. So that is why I'm rubbing the pot. Now I've finished rubbing it with the butter, and I will be pouring the messy cake inside this pot. You can see it, guys. So you can see I have to pour everything inside. So now I have finished pouring the cake I mixed. You can see it. So now we are going to be placing it inside the oven for 1 hour. So I will set it for 100 degree. I'm going to lower it because I don't want the cake to get burned. You know, I'm learning. So I have to be careful. So this is the outcoming of the cake. You can see it, guys. Let me cut it and see. This is the outcoming. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to Mommy T and V YouTube channel. If you like this video, and don't forget to also give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. God bless you. God bless you. Remember, Mommy T and V is always ready to learn. See you on my next video. Bye. God bless you. God bless you. I love you all. I love you all, guys. Bye bye.